Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Car Trend. Today we're looking at one of the toughest names in pickup history, the Toyota Hilux. Known across the world for its strength and reliability, the Hilux has earned a reputation as the truck that never quits. Now, in 2026, Toyota introduces the Hilux 1600, a model that combines the legendary durability of the Hilux with futuristic upgrades in design, technology, and performance. This is more than just a pickup, it's Toyota's vision of what toughness looks like in the modern age. The 2026 Hilux 1600 has a bold and commanding exterior that immediately grabs attention. Toyota has given this truck a wider stance, aggressive front grille, and slim LED headlights that bring a futuristic vibe. The strong body lines across the side panels enhance both aerodynamics and rugged appeal. High ground clearance, skid plates, and reinforced bumpers make it clear that this truck is not just for show, it's built to handle any terrain. Whether it's urban streets or rocky mountains, the Hilux 1600 looks prepared for battle. Under the hood, the Hilux 1600 offers serious performance. Toyota has introduced a powerful yet efficient engine lineup that balances strength with fuel economy. Drivers can choose between a refined turbocharged powertrain and a hybrid option that combines torque with eco-friendliness. The upgraded 4x4 system, advanced suspension, and multiple drive modes give this truck incredible versatility. From towing heavy loads to powering through mud, sand, or snow, the Hilux 1600 delivers unstoppable capability. Step inside the cabin and you'll notice that Toyota hasn't forgotten about comfort. The interior of the 2026 Hilux 1600 blends rugged durability with modern luxury. Durable materials are used for heavy-duty use, while premium finishes add a sense of refinement. The digital instrument cluster and a large high-resolution infotainment screen keep drivers connected with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Spacious seating, climate control, and thoughtful storage solutions make the Hilux a practical choice for work, family, or adventure. Safety is a key highlight in the new Hilux. Toyota has equipped it with the latest Toyota Safety Sense package, which includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking. These advanced systems ensure that drivers have both confidence and protection whether they're on highways or rough trails. The 2026 Toyota Hilux 1600 proves why the Hilux remains a global icon. It is tougher, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. By staying true to its rugged roots while embracing modern innovation, Toyota has created a truck that's ready for the challenges of today and tomorrow. The Hilux 1600 isn't just a pickup, it's a symbol of strength, endurance, and progress.